Hey there, legends! Want to stand out in the Apex arena? Let's talk about customizing your banner. It's your calling card, your flex, and your first impression. Here's how to make it legendary. First, head to the Legend Logger tab and select your main. Your banner is unique to each legend, so choose wisely. Here's where the magic happens. You've got three key elements to customize. First off is your pose. Show off your style with a dynamic pose. Unlock these by leveling up or completing challenges. Next would be the badges. Flex your stats and achievements. Equip your rarest badges to show off your skills. Lastly, you'll have your trackers, where you display your wins, kills, or damage. Let your stats do the talking. Don't forget the banner frame. These can be unlocked in battle passes or events. Match them to your Legends vibe for maximum flair. And there you have it, a banner that screams, "I'm the champion." Now go out there, show it off, and dominate the arena. See you in the dropship, Legends.